Now that you've practiced using a lot of different kinds of lines, you have the tools that you need to create shapes. Shapes are really just lines put together that start and end with each other and enclose. There are geometric shapes that have mostly straight lines or curved lines that are the same. And then there's also organic shapes that have a lot of curvy, wiggly, wobbly lines. Today, we're going to practice making different kinds of shapes with the lines that we've learned about. Once we know how to use our lines and our shapes, that's something that artists use to create all of their drawings. As soon as you understand how to use shapes and lines and create those by putting them together, you can make all kinds of different drawings. For this work, I'm going to start by using my straight lines to make geometric shapes. Those are shapes that we can easily identify. I made a square, a rectangle, and two different types of triangles using my straight and diagonal lines. Now I'm going to use some curved lines to make a circle, an oval, a crescent, and a half circle, which is a curved line and a straight line. I can use my zigzag lines to make a star and curved and straight lines to make a heart. Now I'm going to have some fun and make some organic shapes. Those are shapes that don't necessarily have a name, but also can be made up of different types of lines where you start and end those lines together. As I finish up my shapes, I can add more shapes inside my shapes, continue to experiment, or simply color my shapes in. Remember, all artists use lines and shapes to create their works of art. That's the basis of all drawings. So the more you practice, the better you'll get. Shapes and lines are even used to make our letters in our name. How cool!